Okay, we're asked to solve this, and you can see we have two absolute value signs, one on each side. So what do we do about this? Obviously, they're isolated, but we really have two scenarios, right? The two scenarios is that each of these have the same sign, because no matter what, we're going to get a positive answer out of all this, right? But they could have each started both positive or each negative, or they could have started one of each. So really, when we do this, we don't actually have to test all four options, which is positive, positive, negative, negative, positive, negative, negative, positive. We just have to test one version of each. Now, if you really don't trust me, you can try one time to test them, but all those four will give you only two answers. So first, I'm going to do the positive, positive. Now, you could do negative, negative, but here's the thing. You're going to get the same answer, and I'm all for simplicity, so why would I add extra sign to my life, okay? So I'm going to come here, and I'm going to set this up. Then over here, I need one of these to be positive and one to be negative. I need to show the opposite sign. So I'm going to do that by putting one in parentheses and adding a negative. It does not matter which one. Had I put down this, it would give me the same answer. Just like over here, this would give me this. I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm talking and I'm writing as I go, would give me the same answer with this negative out here. So these are the four options. You only have to do one, though, on each side. Okay. So I'm going to start over here, and I'm going to probably work these simultaneously, but it's more because of my screen. Probably if this was not on the computer, I would probably work them one at a time. So over here, I need to move this 4y over. So I get 6y minus 3 equals 9. Over here, I'm going to start by distributing. And again, it doesn't matter. Just make sure you distribute fully. Then my next step is over here is going to be to add this 3. So 6y equals 12. And I'm going to finish this. This then equals 2. Then over here, I need to I'm going to go this way. And again, there's no right or wrong answer here, but I'm going to tell you I always err on the side of trying to stay positive, because of course it's good to be positive, but more that I don't want to lose signs. That's really the reality. And then I'm going to divide by 2, y equals 3. So then I have my two answers, 2 and 3. But of course, I'm going to go back up and I'm going to check them. So what did I just say? I said I was 2 and 3. So if I put 2 in over here, I would get 4 minus 3, which is 1. Okay. The other side, I put a 2 in, I would get 9 minus 8. 1 equals 1. Cool. Now I'm going to try the 3. So then I would get 6 minus 3, which is 3. And then over here, I would get 9 minus 12, which is negative 3. But that's okay because the opposite sign. So I would get absolute value of 3 equals the absolute value of negative 3, which is also true. So they're both true. It is very important to always make sure to check all these answers. There is times you will get what are called extraneous solutions that might not check. They're really common in rationals, but they do happen sometimes here with absolute values. So it's definitely worth a quick check. Plus, it always feels really good to know you have the right answer as you put it into MyMathLab with confidence. Okay, any questions? Please let me know.